Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a fascinating problem. The problem at hand involves the TwoSum problem from LeetCode, which challenges us to find two numbers in an array that sum up to a specific target. It's a common task in programming interviews, and a great way to sharpen our problem-solving skills. Now, let's see how an interesting solution tackles this problem. In the solution provided, a clever approach is taken using Python libraries. The code snippet imports zlib to decompress data and base64 to decode a specific encoded string. By printing the decompressed result of the decoded string, we reveal a list of pairs that add up to the target. This technique efficiently obtains the desired output by leveraging the power of these libraries. It's a concise yet effective way to tackle the TwoSum problem. Continuing with the solution, the next step involves decoding a longer encoded string to retrieve a series of number pairs. These pairs represent the indices of the two numbers that add up to the target value. By following the decoding process and examining the resulting pairs, we gain insights into how the solution identifies the correct indices efficiently. It's a fascinating glimpse into the inner workings of this optimized approach. To wrap up, we've explored a unique solution to the TwoSum problem that utilizes data compression and encoding techniques to swiftly find the desired number pairs. Understanding the logic behind this approach can not only enhance our problem-solving skills, but also showcase the creative ways in which challenges can be tackled in the world of programming. I hope you enjoyed unraveling this coding mystery with me today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time. Happy coding!